All right, thanks for joining us here on learnhowtodance.com. For many of you, this is your first ever salsa lesson, so you're in the right place. All right, I'm here with Shakira from Texas. What's up, Shakira?
Hi.
How you doing? All right. And Dustin America. What's up, bro? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. All right, so we're going to teach you the basic salsa step. We're going to do it forward and back. We're going to do it sideways, and we're also going to do a back rock. So we want you guys to follow along with us. Really easy. This is your very first core step to kind of get you guys moving on through the levels. So no need to rush. Get these really good first. All right? So we're going to do a quick demonstration so you can see it. And then from then on, we're going to break it all down for you. All right, there you go. See, nice and easy. So let's go ahead and follow us. So we're going to start facing the mirror. All right, so here's what the basic step is. We're going to step with our left leg forward on one. So let's do it one step at a time. You guys ready? All right, so left leg forward on one and stop. Good. So now this step, we call the first step, these big steps, break steps. So you're breaking forward on one. Now the second step is going to be just an up and down. We call that a replace step. So with your right foot, you're not going to move it. You're just going to go up and down for two. Right? Let's do it together. Right foot and two. Now we're going to get that left leg and come back to where you were for three. So step back together and three. So we have a break, a replace, and a step. So break, replace, step. So let's try that again, okay? One step at a time. First step forward on one, one. Second step is a right foot replace step, up and down, two, and now come back together for three and three. Good. So let's try it again. A little quicker. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, a 2, a 3. Last time, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, a 2, and stop. Perfect. All right, so that was your left leg breaking forward. Now let's do a right leg breaking back. Okay, so we're going to start with our right leg. Same thing. The first step is a right leg going back. Let's call it a break step. Ready? 5. We go up and down for replace step on 6. And now we come together on 7. All right, so notice we didn't use 4 or 8. 4 or 8 and 8, are kind of pause steps. So we're actually going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we actually don't step on 4 and 8. So let's do it together. First 3 steps. 5, 6, ready, and a 1, 2, and stop. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, a 2, a 3. Now let's do our back step for 5, 6, 7. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So that is our full 8 count. We go forward, 2, 3, and then we go back, 6, 7. So let's do the whole thing together really slowly. Okay? You guys ready? All right, here we go. Whole thing through. Remember to pause on 4 and 8. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, keep going. So also when we dance, you know how we have our hands up right here? We never want to have you guys having your hands down. Keep the hands up when you're dancing salsa, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Step forward on your left, back on your right. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stop. Perfect. All right, so a couple mistakes a lot of people do when they're doing the basic step is they move their replace step. Remember, the replace step is that second one that just goes up and down. So when you step forward on 1, don't move that foot like this. Keep it in place. So 1, up and down, 2, back together, and 3. Okay, you don't want to be doing this. This is not salsa. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and try it one more time. 5, 6, slowly, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your hands up right here. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and stop right here. Boom. Good job. Good job. All right, now we're on to our side rock. All right, same principle. Okay, we're gonna do a step, a break, a replace, and then a step. So let's do it slowly together, okay? All right, let's get our left foot and step to the side on 1 and 1. Good. Right foot now, replace step. So replace means up and down. Here we go, right foot and 2. Let's come back together on 3. One more time, okay? 5, 6, 7, and side, replace together. All right, so remember, we're not doing this, okay? We're going side, replace together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and side, replace together. Now we're going to repeat that same thing with our right leg, okay? So we get our right leg, and we're going to go side on 5. Ready with me, guys? And 5, replace on 6, 6, and now come back together on 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, and side, replace. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3. We go break, replace, step. Cool. So let's do the whole thing together, okay? Side to side, we call this a side rock. Whole thing. 5, 6, 7, and left, 2, 3, and right, 6, 7. We go left foot in place. Good. Remember, we're not doing this. I call these people danglers. When they have their hands down, they're dangling. Okay, we want to make sure the hands are up right here. Good. 5. One more time. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stop. Money. All right. So we did the basic forward and back, and we also did the side rock. Our last basic step is called the back rock. This is the one you kind of see a lot of people doing when they kind of want to demonstrate what salsa is. They come here and they go. Okay, so that's kind of similar to what we're doing, but we're going to break it down for you, okay? So we're going to start with our left foot on 1, and we're going to step back and diagonal. So let's rotate our torso a little bit, and we're going to get that left foot and step behind where that right foot is. That is your 1 step. Once again, we call this the break. What does our second foot always do? Doesn't do anything different. We replace it. So let's do the up and down. Ready? And 2. Now let's bring that left leg back together for 3 and 3. Okay? Let's try it again. And back on 1, replace 2, and then back on 3. Now let's do that second foot with the right foot. Bring that right foot behind our left for 5. Replace that foot 6, and then come back on 7. All right, let's do it again. First 3 counts, left leg. We're going to go back, replace, and then together. 5, 6, 7, and back, replace, together. Now with the right foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and back, replace, together. All right, whole 8 count together. You guys ready? Here we go. Back rock. 5, 6, 7, and left, replace together. Now right, replace together, and left, replace together. Now keep going. I'm kind of talk you guys through when you're doing the rhythm, okay? Notice my second step. I'm picking it off the ground. It's not moving anywhere, but it's coming up. We don't want to do this, keeping that foot on the ground and only using 1 foot. Okay, we want to make sure we get that foot and pick it off the ground. 5, 6, 7, and we get those hands moving and stop right here. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and do the full 8 count all together with everything. Okay? Here we go. We're going to do our basic step forward and back, our side rocks, and our back rocks. Now, for us to kind of get on the same rhythm, I'm going to give you a half, like a 4 count lead, and tell you what to do before we do it. So follow along with us. Okay? Here we go. Everyone together, forward and back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Nice and slow and basic. Okay, so when I call side rock, we're going to wait for our left leg, and then we're all going to go to the left together. Okay? Basic step. Make sure you're picking those feet off the ground, and you're marching. Good. Are you guys ready? Give me a side rock. Ready? Here we go. To the left. Perfect. All right, let's pick those feet up in the air. We're not doing any swishy-swashy. Okay? Feet up and down. 1, 2, 3. 3. Good. All right, good job, Dusty. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we're going to do a back rock. Ready? Here we go with the left foot. Good. Now, ladies, when you get into partner work, you're going to start moving first on the right leg. But because we're doing it all together, we're all going to start on that left leg together. Okay? Let's keep going. All right. Basic step forward. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Let's go over that round one more time. 2, 3. Make sure we're marching those feet. Good. All right, here we go. Give me a side rock with the left leg. Ready? Side, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Keep going. All right, last one. Just give me a back rock with the left leg. And back, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. All right. Back to basic. Ready? And forward, 2, 3. Back, 6, 7. Forward. And stop right here. All right. Good job. Good job. Good job, you guys. So that was your basic salsa step. Get those footwork first, because from there we're going to build everything on top of that. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Check out all of our other videos, and we will see you next time.